Hey guys, this is Dr. Thin Mint here. This is part 2 of this. Uh, if y'all saw the first part of the yeah, if you saw the first part of the video that I put up, I didn't have all this right here cut out quite yet. I've literally spent like the last 4 hours pretty much trying to get this thing like filed and sanded out. Happen to have some old files, and let me just say, it's been a freaking job getting this thing filed down. But it actually, well, I'll just show you. Give me a second here, guys. So it's a beautiful day outside, and I'm spending it inside sanding and filing and whatnot. Anyways, let's get in here. Try to get y'all a good view. I was out here for like maybe the past maybe 10 minutes, putting it in here, pulling it out. Shut up, guys. And then putting it in again, wiggling around, and make like little shiny spots on it. So finally get all them out, and they say no, right down in there. Now this right here will end up coming out once I don't know if y'all can see that, but after I drill and tap that hole right there, it should not move. Still got a lot more sanding to do, but overall, I believe it's gonna work, guys and gals. But yeah, gotta do that. I got the boot folder around here. I'm probably sitting on it. Yep, I'm sitting on it, people. That's how you lose stuff. I got a little hole in here, almost like a grommet, that I gotta get it through. I'm thinking I might, instead of doing like what they did, I let the factory one in there side, instead of like making it kind of rounded and come up like the old one, I think I'm gonna try to put me a I don't know, it might just, I don't know, when I get to that, we'll see. Sorry about the camera just being off there for a second. Yeah, let me drill and tap this, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, just finally got it drilled and tapped. Got the screw in it, or bolt, whatever the heck you want to say. Works pretty good. Actually, it works really good. See, no play in it, no twisting, none of that. I do got a whole lot more sanding to do on the back of this. It's kind of, as you see, kind of weird, or flat way, however the heck you want to say it. It's late, guys, I'm sorry. I still got to polish out or sand down a whole lot more. Sorry, I'm having to use a dang flashlight. It's so dark out here. But I think y'all get the point and the idea of it. I still got that right there to mold in or sand in, whatever. But I spent way too much time on this today, but hey, it fits. I mean, it's not 100% exactly like the stock one, but I think for a file and some sandpaper and 4 hours, I think that's like what I said it was. roughly 4 hours of all that, and then all this heat that we've been having down here. It's just been a pain in the butt. And yeah, like I said, it doesn't look that bad. What do y'all think? Go down in the comments and let me know what y'all think of it so far. I'm trying my best. So yeah, and I got this big old chunk at the bottom. I'm gonna have to end up making that way smaller because the boot over here, where I think it's at, right there, a little bitty hole that's right there. I only got so much room inside of it. Turn this way so I can see it too. And so, but yeah, that's just pretty much it for like right now on that. I mean, it's getting late outside. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it for tonight and go from there. I'm kind of liking the color in a way. See, if you look at it, it's almost the same color as the little trim there. So I get a better shot of it. Yeah, that's about what it looks like to me. Up there, like in the right hand corner, that's about the color it actually looks like it to me. So yeah, tell me what y'all think. And sorry, I'm trying to get this light right. Yeah, just tell me like what y'all think in the comments. If I don't have to work no more, I might work on this a little bit more. But yeah, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow, I guess. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, just did a little filing on it, getting it, the back side rounded up, or rounded off, whatever. I don't see that. It's kind of, I tried to put a new light up and it's not really giving me the light that I really want over here. But you can see, yeah, I just been rounding the back. I do still got all this in here to get flattened out, just like I have on the bike. I don't know if y'all can make that out. Yeah, we all saw it in the first part. Anyways, just gonna do a little filing here. If you don't want to see this part, really, it's, I mean, kind of boring in a way, but I'm sure there's someone out there that just wants to see it. But yeah, so like I said, if you don't want to see this part, just fast forward through this part and, well, whatever. But yeah, it's kind of relaxing in a way, just to hope y'all can hear me all this filing. Anyways, it's kind of relaxing in a way, just to be in the shop and not really rush, just to take, pretty much just take my time and whatnot. It seems if I get like in a real big rush, in a hurry or something like that, it ends up not working out for anybody involved. So I try to take my time and do things right, as y'all should know already. Yeah, I kind of just wanted to talk while I'm doing this and whatnot, and if y'all have any questions I want to ask me, just go down in the comments and ask away. But yeah, this thing's so, how you want to put it, this camera's so weird.
goes off from time to time, so I gotta make sure it's still on. But yeah. Well, I said I wanted to talk, but I forgot what I was talking about. Anyways, I'm sure there's probably an easy way to do this, filing it and whatnot. But like I said, sometimes it's relaxing just not really to rush, just do things and just chill out. Some people like to have a cigarette to help them to calm down or take the edge off or whatever. Some people like to drink. That's all well and good until you get to that point. Yeah. I'm trying to be a better person, people. That's why I'm starting to make these videos. Well, mostly for a couple of reasons. I want to show people what I can do, because my first part of my life, people are saying you can't do this, you can't do that, and people, don't let them people get you down. You can do anything you put your mind to. Just because it's hard doesn't mean nothing. You gotta persevere and not really worry about them people. I almost saw my head over here trying to do this, but I'll end up going back and knocking this down a little bit more finer once I get these hard edges off. But yeah, don't let people tell you what you can and can't do. You can do anything you put your mind to. I mean, heck, just the other day, I had Walmart, ended up getting me a cake out there. But anyways, before I got out of my truck, saw this younger guy, gave that look. And those of y'all that have nicer vehicles, y'all know what that look is. It's not a double take. They stare at it like a fat kid would stare at a cake. Yeah, I got in my truck, and it seemed like he made a point just to come up to me. He was like, "Hey, nice truck." And started talking about it and whatnot. Which I love. People start asking about my truck and whatnot. Alright, you really almost can't shut me up about it. I don't know if any of y'all have had that happen to y'all. If you have, well, y'all know what the look is. But yeah, that just makes me feel a whole lot more better. People just actually will acknowledge that I've actually done something that they like. I'm seeing here I might end up having some spots in it, but I think I might have an idea how to hide them spots so it looks like I messed up. But yeah, I mean, it's things like that, and then that pretty much goes against what all those people will say you can't do this, can't do that. Don't listen to them people. Those people are just haters. I mean, I got people around here. Let me just tell you a story. and I'm not gonna say no names of who the person is, but if you happen to actually watch my videos, which I think you probably should, you might actually learn how to do something. Well, first off, I'm gonna tell you, me and the guy really not friends anymore. He was a nice guy, but he ended up screwing me out of some my funds that I had. Tried to sell him stuff, and I got screwed over. And you know what? I ain't letting that keep me down. I got some other friends that will tell you that they don't like him either. He's screwed so many people over. But anyways, I got a speaker box in the truck. I'm sure y'all seen it in one of my other videos. I built the thing to have some good bass in it. I'm over at this other guy's house, and this guy is all of a sudden he says, yeah, he didn't build it for bass, it's just for looks. I didn't say nothing at the time to him. I probably should have, but I didn't. But I mean, he's got someone else, or he had someone else. He saw someone on YouTube that had a speaker box, and he ended up putting that up in his truck. I mean, sure, thing would hit, but you know, it from like what I heard on YouTube versus like what his sounded like, he probably should have got the amps and, well, probably the whole truck. But anyways, that just goes to show you, you got people out there, they think they know everything. They don't. I don't know everything, people. I'm just hoping that maybe I can help someone along the way. So I've had friends that have been helping me pretty much financially. I'll say that. I don't know if you want me to say the names on here, but I had a friend, he had some stuff happen with his workshop that he had. I mean, he's helped me, and you think, all right, what's a friend supposed to do? What's a true friend supposed to do? Supposed to help him. I mean, he's like family. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, we are family. I'm not trying to make everybody think or make me sound like I'm trying to not be racist or anything. I mean, he is a black guy, a black man. I'm not gonna be all that politically correct crap that everybody's complaining about and whatnot. I'm white, you're black, you're white, green, orange, purple, blue, I don't care what color you are. As long as you're trying to do right, it don't matter. But anyways, I mean, we get along. I mean, he's helped me out with a whole lot of things. I was actually have all the money that everybody, a lot of people think I have. Heck, for a while I thought he had all that money, but it's realized that he knows how to spend his money the right way and on what he wants. Pretty sure y'all are probably getting bored and whatnot hearing me just jabber on, but I just want to tell you that there's some really good people out there, and those are the people you need to keep close to you, because I don't know what I'd do without some of these people. It's hard sometimes. Just gonna get the same position a little better for y'all. Anyways, yeah, it's hard sometimes trying to deal with stuff like that. But you know what? who knows? Maybe someone watching this video, they'll learn something from it. I hope y'all learn something from it too. If you don't, oh well. Watch it again, maybe learn something. Watch from the start. If you're just catching this in the middle. Well guys, I think I'm gonna stop it right here. I'll be back in a little bit after I get this rounded off a little bit more better and whatnot. But yeah, I just pretty much at this point, I just wanted to just talk and get some stuff off my chest. If y'all made it this far into it, just listen to me jabber and whatnot, I really do appreciate it. But yeah, let me get back at this right here. I know I'm not going to end up finishing up, so I'm kind of getting a little hungry. But anyways, guess I'll talk to y'all, or be right back in just a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, I got it down pretty good. I thought that was actually gonna be straight, like right in between there. I should have known better. But it's I got it rounded, more or less. I'm gonna do some more on it though. I gotta fine tune that little end down there where the blade goes up into it. Try to get over here where I got the light so it's easier to see. Yes, I do have a mess. We're not gonna worry about that, are we? No, we're not. At least I'm not. The line looks ain't too bad. It's kind of off, like right there, as you can probably see. But overall, I think it's pretty straight. We're doing it by hand. Okay, well, maybe not all by hand. I had to use this a little bit, but I'll just help round off. Sorry, like up in here a little bit. But yeah, most of it is being done by hand. I am gonna do this right here by hand, because I do want to try to get it. If I use any tools, something like that, files. Well, I might use a file a little bit, but overall, I'm gonna have to end up by hand sanding the whole thing so it gets round, or at least stays as curved as possible. But yeah, that's a little update I got right now. I can lay it down here, give y'all a better look at it. Got my hand in the way. Go down in the comments and let me know like what y'all think at this point in the video. Just put a timestamp on it, or the time that the spot was, and let me know what y'all think so far. I really do want to hear back from y'all. But yeah, I guess that's it for right now. I'm kind of getting hungry. I think I'm gonna go inside, get me a little something to eat, and then come back to this. But I am going to end up polishing all this right here out, just the blade part and the handle. Maybe I'm gonna mess around with it. I'll probably end up polishing the handle part out, but then, well, yeah, I think I'll end up polishing that out. And the blade part, but I'm gonna keep the back or the other part of it looking like the raw aluminum. I'm gonna polish it. I'm gonna see how it does, like in the sun, in the truck, and all that. And if I see it's gonna end up being an issue with this being polished, I don't really give a crap. This right here, the sun ends up bouncing off this and blinding the crap out of me while going on the road. Oh well, something happens. It's my own dumb fault. But if this right here ends up giving me an issue, I will end up doing something with that. May dull it down, or I don't know right now. If y'all got any ideas, leave it in the comments. Unless you're saying this after I've already done whatever I've done. Yeah, I think that's it. And actually, I'm kind of looking at this. This little area, like right here, look like something from like Assassin's Creed or something. I don't know, I just kind of randomly saw that. Anyways, yeah, ADD is a heck of a thing. Yeah, I guess that's it for right now. I'll see y'all in just a bit. Hi, I'm back, guys. Yeah, just got finished sanding it with the 320 wet sand paper. I just polished up just the blade part just to see what it looked like. As y'all can see, it's not actually that bad. Like I said, I was just trying it out, just like real quick on this. I think I might actually just, not sure yet, but I'm thinking I might just either maybe powder coat the thing and then leave all this right here shiny like what the bike has. So it doesn't look half bad. Excuse me, I'm sneezing over here. Yeah, this just doing just a little update, like real quick. This might end up being a 3-part thing, I don't know. The way it's going, it's just really, it's not going as fast as I want it to go, because I still got all that up in there I gotta get smoothed out. And I think I'm gonna have to bring this right here, sorry, trying to get this thing right. I think I'm gonna have to cut into this right here just a little bit, or maybe bring that flat spot back a little bit, so that the rubber boot, it's got like a little O-ring grommet looking thing on it, and I'm gonna have to get that. It fits in the truck really well. I think I already showed y'all that, so I'm not really, it's not that bad. But yeah, get all that smoothed in. Get up under the light. I'll be able to see a little better. Don't look half bad. You can let me know what y'all think. Try to get a close up on it. But yeah, that's it so far. I guess I'll be back in just a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, aside, I was gonna go ahead and just polish the whole thing. Yeah, my hands are dirty. So I had to bring polish. Anyways, like I said, I decided just to polish the whole thing. I know it has a couple little bitty flaws in it, but I think for the way that I did it, and then like a lot of hand sanding and whatnot. I think it came out actually really good. I'm not 100% happy with it, but for just because of like some like little spots, like you said, a little spot like right there, I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% happy with it. But I think for the way and that everything went, I think it worked out really good. It fits in the boot. I had to go back up here and around the edges a little bit, but it fits in a little shift boot thingamajigger pretty nicely. It makes it really nice and tight inside the thing that little that thing up there goes in. But yeah, yeah, I guess I'll just go ahead and stick it in there. Oh, the brightness, like 100-something degrees index. Well, it's going up in here. Let's see. Set this down. Really need to figure out a tripod type setup. But yeah, like I said, it fits in there pretty good. It's nice and tight in there. And it really doesn't look that bad like that, if I do say so myself. Let me stick it in and get an idea of what it'll look like. Or at least a rough idea. You know what? How about I just do it like this? Forget that boot. We don't need that boot right now. We're just checking things out. Anyway, yeah, there it is in there. I gotta find the screw. It's in here somewhere. So yeah, I'll find that screw and I'll be right back and show you what the I guess finished product is. I might end up going back and just painting all of this up in here, put some rubberized coating on there, then get that painted too. But leave the blade part nice and shiny and whatnot. Parts of it ended up really good. I'm actually really happy with some parts of it. You know what? Overall, like I said, I think it came out really good overall. So, yeah. I'll be right back after I get everything put back together. Hey guys, see, I told you I'd be back. Yeah, I got the thing in, a little shifter and everything. I'm actually liking how it fits up in here. Doesn't look that bad. I do have the space, some space behind it, so I know it's not going to hit. Turn this on. I'm going to show y'all something I like. One of my other part of the videos. Yeah, you gotta have the Chevy symbol. Anyways, yeah, it goes through all of them, no problem. It's first gear, second gear, third gear, automatic drive, neutral, reverse, and then the park. So everything works, doesn't twist. It's in there. It's got a weird thing like right there, but I think that's just the boot. But we're not gonna worry about that. Release this park and brake real slowly. There we go. Yeah, it works.
course, I might end up taking it back out. It seems like it's really tight up here at the top. I might have to make that a little bit more smaller. So it looks like it wants to just stay down like that, but as long as it goes up in there, that's all that matters, right? I don't think I'm gonna have any issues out of it. So, yeah. If you got any questions about what I did or how I did something, go in the comments and just let me know. If you like this somewhat DIY video on the shifter, how to make it and whatnot, leave a like down below. It'd be nice if you would subscribe if you haven't already. I got more stuff coming up. I try to do a video, put one up no matter what I'm doing. I try to put one up once a week. I'm hoping one day maybe I get to the point where I can put maybe 2 up. Let's see how my schedule works out and whatnot. But like I said, if you liked the video, throw a like on it. If you didn't like it, oh well. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't take that long to just a little mouse click or on your phone or something. Hit that little subscribe button down there. Magical things can happen. But anyways, guys and gals, may God bless y'all.